back to the channel. Today we got the Ruger American Ranch back out again. We got some hand loads. We got some Lehigh Defense, 123 grain controlled chaos, all copper bullets, and we got some Barnes 123 grain TSX bullets. The Lehigh Defense bullets, they're extremely long compared to a normal 123 grain like a Hornady SST. So these I had to work up from scratch, the loads. On the Barnes, the bullets are the same size as a Hornady SST, so I went with the same load that I used with them for the Barnes just to try it out. If not, I'll make a video on working up a load for the Barnes TSX. Alright, these are rounds. I got these seated to overall length of 2.275. I'm using CCI small rifle primers, the number 400 primers, and CFE black powder. We're starting at 28 grains and working our way up to 29 grains. 29 is about the max on the Hornady SSTs. Before you any higher than that, you start getting the primers start flattening out. These Lehigh Defense rounds are 0.311 diameter bullets, and the Hornadys, the SSTs, are 0.310. So that's why, another reason why I had to load these back up, because I didn't want to get any pressure signs, any high pressure signs. We got our starting loads loaded up. We got our target, it's exactly 99 yards downrange, and we're going to send these 3 and let the barrel cool down. We're going to send the next 3, let the barrel cool down, send the next 3. So here we go. I forgot to mention that this brass is Remington once fired brass. That is small rifle primers, what to take. These do have a slight crimp on them. Actually, looks like a pretty promising group. Here's a pretty decent group with their 28 grains of CFE black. There was no pressure signs. Like I said, this is small rifle primer brass, and we're using CCI number 400 primers. Next up is 28.5 grains. This will be the next target down. I wanted to show you guys how close these are to being the maximum you can run in this magazine. They're almost touching. This is our 28.5 grains of CFE black. Here we go. And so far, this is looking pretty good, like a pretty good group. Pretty good group. So far. I like what I see. Alright, I'll go down and show you the targets while the barrel cools off. This group here is what we like to see. That's probably 3/4 of an inch group, maybe a little smaller. I'm gonna measure all these groups when I get back home, and I'll post them in the video. Next up, 29 grains. So far, no pressure signs. We're gonna keep going. All right, this is 29 grains. It's CFE Black. 99 yards. Here we go. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of cratering of the primer. Here we go. That damn thing fell over again. Let's see here. Yeah, I'd say that I probably wouldn't go no hotter than 29 grains because it's getting a little bit of cratering. All right. We went back down the second time, set the target up. Let's see if it knocks it over this time. I hope not. It knocked the target over. It didn't look like it was much of a group. I think that it is starting to open back up. So I'd say our sweet spot is about 28.5. But yeah, we're totally getting cratering. The firing pin's cratering the primers. So I'll go down and show you the target. Alright, this is our group for the 29 grains of CFE Black. So it's starting to open back up prior to our group before. Pretty good looking group. So let's go down. Let's try our 3 rounds of Barnes. They're loaded at 29 grains and the same seating depth as the SSTs, and the SST shot about the same as the Lehigh Defense did, the best one for the Lehigh Defense. I think I got a 1/2 inch group. Alright, we got us 3 rounds of Barnes TSX, 123 grain, solid copper hollow points loaded up. They're seated at 2.235 overall length. And it's the same load that with Hornady SSTs. They shoot about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch group. I think I got 0.558 out of the SSTs. I'm going to try these. The bullets are about the same length. The ogives of the bullets are a little different, but they are the same length, so I went ahead and went with the same seating depth. The SSTs is a good bullet, but I'm a fan of the all copper bullets, and I've been trying to use the cheaper lead core bullets, say Hornady or Spear bullets, to work up a load for the copper bullets, because they're quite a bit more expensive. And this is all really just a test of my theory, see if it works. And if this don't work, I'm going to load up a couple rounds and do a ladder test for this bullet. So our target set up at 99 yards. We're going to see what happens here. All right, here we go. Well, that proves my theory wrong. I guess I'll be working up a load for them separately. Alright, here's a group with their barns. Looks like I'm gonna have to load up a ladder test for these at a later time. Y'all stay tuned for some more videos. There'll be more videos coming soon. Y'all stay tuned, like, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one.